In this video, I'm going to talk about a feature that is in the base product and so may be applied across all measurement extensions. Let me motivate the situation. Say you have a satellite that's spinning around the Earth, and as it gets closer to you, it's going to have a Doppler shift. As it gets farther away from you, also a Doppler shift, right? Well, what if the Doppler shift falls outside of the capture range of the VSA? Once it falls beyond that capture range, then the VSA will not be able to achieve sync. Here's an illustration of that. So we're measuring 4, 5, 6 kilohertz frequency error. And when the frequency error crosses 15 kilohertz, oh, sync not found. So my question to you is, what if we could define a metric that we could trigger off of, and when that metric exceeds a certain threshold, then the VSA takes a particular action? Well, with event-based user actions, we have exactly that. You can choose a metric, any metric, EVM, frequency error. You can then choose a condition, for example, the frequency error being more than 10 kilohertz. And then you can choose what happens when that metric meets a certain criteria. And right now, the two actions that are possible are pause a measurement and run a macro. Now, running a macro means you can do pretty much anything because macros enable all aspects of the VSA. So what if we wrote a macro that adjusts the center frequency based on the frequency error to recenter the center frequency so that now you're within the capture range of the VSA? Let's see this in action, and it's going to happen pretty fast. As you can see here, the frequency error is 4, 5, 6. When it crosses 10 kilohertz, watch what happens. Boom. The macro ran, the center frequency changed, and now the frequency error is below 10 kilohertz. Pretty cool, right? I'm very excited to see what you guys are going to do with this feature. Thanks.